In the era of Telegram, right now there is no shortage of content, lectures, test series, or anything else. The thing which is limited is the right mentorship, right guidance, which is personalized and customized as per the requirement of the aspirants. Hi, this is Sugam Bansal, and here in this video, I am proudly announcing one of the very important feature of Sunya IAS, which is available for both people who are going for the mains 2026 and who are going for the 2027 ka attempt. And the feature is one-to-one personalized group with the super mentors, where the super mentors will be none other than the core faculties of Sunya IAS. For example, if you are going for the 2027, I will be a super mentor, and then there will be a personal mentor who will be individually part of this particular group and will be constantly guiding you that what you have to do, from where you have to do, and we will be complementing that with our very famous Vajr, Bootcamp, Marg, Eklavya and whatnot. So here at Sunya IAS, first of all, I will brief about the one-to-one group for the mains bootcamp plus students. Mains bootcamp plus students. That is, students who want to go solely for the mains just after the prelims. In this mains bootcamp plus, what we are giving is, we are giving you one-to-one mentor support in which the super mentors will be the part of the group. At least two super mentors will be there in the group. What you can expect from us is, you can expect the guidance which is personalized. You can discuss the copies, and not only this, we can always help you to customize the plan, that what is the way forward now. What I have seen with my experience is, students keep on repeating the mistakes which they have been doing. So this group is apt if you want to fix the things. See, right now it may be there in your head that we have the 80 days or 85 days, we will take care of everything. But let me tell you, in these 80 or 85 days, you have to work upon the content, you have to work upon the current affairs, you have to work upon the answer writing. And that too, you have to write as per the standards of the toppers. You should know the parts of the question, you should know the arguments, you should know the value addition, you should work upon the presentation. So exactly where you are lacking, let me write this, exactly where you are lacking is something which will be pointed out by the super mentors, and we will work upon the same areas so that we can help you to plug in the loopholes in the mains. This batch is open for 2026 also, 2027 also. The idea line is, in the next 2 or 3 months maximum, we will wrap up everything from the mains perspective. I will give you the idea of the batch, right? We have already discussed in the previous video, but I will give you the brief of the batch again. So in this one-to-one environment, we will be guiding you, right? And let me tell you, this is something which is not existing anywhere else. You will be dumped with the content, you will be dumped with the test series, you will be dumped with the videos, but everything at one place, and someone to guide you what to do, when to do, and how much amount to do, and in what format to do. Some of you may be working, some of you may not have given any attempt so far, or mains so far, right? Some of you may have given some mains, some of you might be giving the exam to improve the marks. What I'm saying, the things will be customized, personalized, and you will get a support of the super mentors. If you're not explored the quality, please go on YouTube, search about the super mentors as Sunya IAS. Myself, Sugam Bansal, we have Kuldeep sir, we have Amritan sir, and we have Ankit Rothar sir. Just see the quality, what we have been delivering since last few years, right? Then second is, in Brahmastra 2027. So if you ask me, sir, we want to go for 2027, a single batch which will incorporate everything for mains and everything for prelims and one-to-one mentor support, that is Brahmastra 2027. You can take the feedback from all the already registered students. You can see the components of the batch. I mean, the batch is comprehensive. You may not realize that what we are delivering in the batch, but let me promise you one thing, you will not regret this batch at all. You will not regret, I promise you that. Okay. The idea line is, we do a lot of hard work, we work upon the summaries. You will be having the classes for everything. The classes are not foundation classes. These classes will ensure that you are converting your knowledge into marks. For everything we have the classes, maybe for answer writing, maybe for PYQs, for maybe main summaries, prelim summaries, Samadhan current affairs. Everything is part of Brahmas. I mean, you don't need even a single paper other than Brahmas if you have already done with your basics. A beautiful batch. In this batch also, we are having the one-to-one group. And personally, I am leading the super mentorship front. You will be having a mentor assigned, a super mentor, then a course coordinator, and you. You can see one of the group here. You have to report there. We will give you the targets. We will ensure whatever is the component of the Brahmas, we are covering all of them in next few months, right? So that is the ideology I wanted to convey in the especially for the mains bootcamp plus batch. Now, if I talk about the mains bootcamp plus batch, just think upon a week. A particular week is well crafted where in 2 days, Monday and Thursday, we are completing at least 2 subjects. Let's say on Monday we are completing social justice, then on Tuesday we are completing another, right, a small subject. If there is the subject is weak, we will take 2 days. For example, polity 2 days, economy 2 days. What I'm saying is, in a single week, you will be having only 2 classes. So you have 5 days with you. Those 2 classes will be day long. You need not to sit for 2.5 hours for 20 days. I mean, I've seen various, places where students are being dumped with the classes, maybe the recorded ones or maybe the live ones. And they are asked to see 3 classes, 2 classes, 2.5 hours on daily basis. That should not be the mindset. That's something which is not practical, at least if that is your first attempt or the subsequent attempt also. In both the scenarios, that is something which is not at all practical. So, in these classes only, we will ensure we are making the summaries. Then, we are having the second component. PYQs ka handwritten answer you will be given. Apt PYQ handwritten answer. Then, my sessions on the templates of the PYQs, right? That how you have to address the PYQ. I will write the PYQs on the board. Right? So you will be getting the classes of the PYQs and handwritten PYQs. You may not watch the class if you don't have the time, but the handwritten PYQs will surely give you the direction and the content and the value addition. Then we have the live practice. Every third day, that is Wednesday and Saturday, there will be 7 questions of 1 hour. Live you will be writing, that is you are writing within the time frame. For the same subject, if you have done social justice, you will be giving you will be getting the PYQs of the social justice. Just read them, or if you want to attempt few of them, attempt and then read the model answers. Second day PYQs देख लिया हमने. Third day पे we will do the 7 questions live, so that you have the knack of answer writing as well, right? Followed by the discussion to be taken by either Amrita sir or in some circumstances me also, right? So super mentors will be taking the discussions, right? So a wonderful thing which you will ever find in the UPSC CSE preparation. If you don't want to follow the HUD, if you don't want to be directionless, if you want something where you hold the hand, right content, and the test also in between, this is something which is practical. This is something which is apt, right? Bootcamp plus batch. Why it is plus? Because in plus batch we are having the full length test. So you are having 15 full length tests, where 5 full length tests will be any time. For example, you want to write it maybe in the first week, you write all 5 of them in the first week. So it depends on you, on your preparation level, on your base. Very practical aspect. ठीक है, again यार 5 टेस्ट ओपन है, कभी भी लिखो. Then 5 tests will be scheduled along with the classes. Once you are done with GS2 का test, 3 का test, that is how. And 5 tests at the end will be simulation. So once we are done with the entire syllabus, we will simulate the entire syllabus to the 5 tests. या डे 1 पे ऐसे इन द मॉर्निंग स्लॉट, डे 2 पे GS1 GS2, डे 3 पे GS3 GS4, like the UPSC conducts the mains, right? So that is how the entire program has been crafted. A wonderful, a practical, what I can say, the program where the main feature, I wanted to highlight it again, the main feature of this program, apart from this, is the one-to-one mentor support, right, which you won't find anywhere else. I mean, you may be getting the mentorship written in the brochures, but let me tell you, we are making the group one-to-one. It's not key we will add all the students, no, only you are there in the group and our team members are there in the group, so that we can have your daily accountability or maybe reporting. But there is one thing which you have to keep in mind, that we are having only 100 seats for the one-to-one mentorship. So even if you want to join for 2026 or 2027, for the very first 100 seats, you'll find me and Amrita sir as a part of that batch. We will be guiding you, taking you further in the mains bootcamp plus, right? If you want to know the more details, you have the numbers written at the bottom, 8595352083, and then there is a further number. Entire other details we will give you in the description. If you want to get the details on the Brahmastra, let me tell you, if you are going for 2027, Please, I request, you won't regret, I request, explore this batch. Explore matlab please compare, please see the demos, please see the content, please see the ideology of the batch, try to understand the ideology, try to see the schedule. Okay, schedule may will find the test also integrated between all the classes, है ना. Classes का there is no schedule because that will be customized. Your mentors will be telling you that you have to start Vajra in maybe June. If you're not apt, you will be starting in July. If you're not apt, you will be starting in August. So it totally depends on your caliber. Mentors के साथ you will be deciding that when we have to cover Vajra, एकलव्य कब करना है, Mark कब करना है, and all those things, right? They will be guiding you. So that is all about this video. Please do explore. Thank you. See you in the batch.